Two broads, one fork.
You look really pretty.
So do you.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes. Hey, it's Francine.
Hey, it's Kate.
And we are Two Broads.
One fork.
And today we are at my home and we are eating food that our husbands ordered and didn't tell us what they ordered. So the place that they ordered from is called Mangia Trattoria Pizzeria.
You got to say it with your hand.
Mangia Trattoria. Yes. So there are two sandwiches here.
Okay.
And we're going to open them up. And again, I don't know what they are.
Okay.
I'm going to have to look and see.
I'm so scared. Should we just do one at a time?
Well, whoa.
We happy? Yeah, we happy.
So this one looks
amazing.
like,
oh my God, what is that?
this looks like a garlic knot.
It's got cheese.
Chicken cutlet.
It's got so much cheese. Wait.
Hold on.
Guys.
Guys.
So much cheese.
Can I just?
Don't drop that. It looks so good.
Drop it. Oh, if this had smell-o-vision, the garlic. Open the next one. Garlic knot sandwich.
That looks like some kind of like a chicken.
What is that?
Caesar on a
chicken Caesar salad.
Sorry.
Guys, oh my God, it's all over my hands. Hold on. This is crazy. And I have a secret dessert that I didn't tell Kate about.
What is it? Is it food? It's a surprise!
So first, this is like a
oh my God. Very cheesy.
Chicken vodka.
Parm
garlic bread, not gimmick, with garlic all over it. And then there's vodka sauce for dipping, which let's get this out of the way.
Oh yeah, see, you're good at this.
Okay.
You're like a professional.
I'm not.
You're so professional.
I just like to eat and
stuff.
Okay, well, cheers. Should we dip?
Yeah, why not?
Take a dip.
Dip it.
Dip it. Flip it. Rub it down. Smack it.
Is it that kind of party?
I don't know. Okay. Maybe later.
Get the wine.
Mm.
Oh, shit.
Mmm.
So good.
Mmm. The garlic knot, first of all, is buttery.
Yes.
The sandwich is hot. Obviously, it's warm. But it has chunks of garlic. I don't know if you can see. There we go.
Look at that. Mm.
It is so good. These chicken cutlets are pounded thin. You can tell the breading is excellent on them. It's cheesy. It's flavorful. Oh my God.
It's not just chicken strips. Some places get really lazy and they just throw like chicken.
These are chicken cutlets.
Yes.
These are full
really well breaded
cutlets.
And so much cheese.
Guys.
There's so much.
And we all know
no.
we like our cheese.
Yes.
Get that cutlet back in there. I got to take care of it.
Stuff it back in.
That is delicious. So good.
I'm so rude.
I can't even talk. I would definitely order this again. This is one of the most delicious chicken sandwiches I've ever had in my life.
Soaked in garlic.
Yes. And butter. It's buttery.
And cheesy.
And cheesy. And the cutlet, like I said, the cutlets are nice and thin.
God.
That's so good. I can't stop eating them.
We don't have to.
Well, we gotta try that one. That is a 10 out of 10.
I thought we weren't doing ratings.
5 stars. Michelin.
All the stars.
What?
What did you say?
Michelin chef. You know, they give like the 4-star Michelin chef ratings. Never heard that?
Am I too young for that?
No. Oh my God. All right. This is another garlic knot. This is definitely different and unique, and I'm excited to try this.
I don't want to stop this one.
Well, you don't have to. Listen, technically, because we're splitting them, that's just one sandwich. So we can eat both of them and not feel guilty.
It's a salad. It's so healthy.
Yeah, that's true.
It's like we're getting our veggies. Like
it's so true.
There's a lot of chicken, so we got the protein, and there's protein in cheese.
And there's even croutons in here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is heavy.
Messy, too.
And it's heavy. All right, cheers. Stink.
Cheers. It's not even worth it.
It's going to drip all over the place. Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Mm.
Not a sandwich you want to eat if you're going on a first date.
Mm-mm.
I don't think
my
that
God.
would be advisable
Really
at all. I'm a mess.
If you're gonna get down with someone,
don't
eat this sandwich.
Mine's just falling apart.
But if you've been married for like 72 years, like we have,
yeah, it's
eat
fine.
it. I
It's
just
totally
ate
fine.
the biggest clove of garlic. Oh my god!
You're gonna smell great. And we're gonna have
Wow,
all kinds of stuff going on.
it's so messy. But the
It's
same garlic knot roll, it has a ton of garlic. Again, buttery, but you have the same chicken cutlet too because they're nice and thin, like I said. And then you have a crap load of lettuce on top of
Yeah.
it.
This is.
And it's got, what is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's got croutons all through the salad, which is fun.
Yeah, that's good.
That's really good.
Just very, very messy.
Yeah.
But I'm fine with that because it tastes amazing. So
That
it's so
what do
worth.
you like better?
See, I don't know. And that's why I'm so happy we have like an option for salad and an option for dinner. So we're having the best of both worlds all together.
I mean, you don't even have to get a salad if you get this one because the salad is in the sandwich, but it is
So
very
healthy.
messy, which I don't really care about unless you're in the restaurant.
Yeah, I would not want to get this if I was out. But being here with you, I know I can be a slob. So here it is. You don't care if my fingers are messy.
Mm-mm. No.
God.
This is another 10. These sandwiches are a home run,
Mhm.
for real. So
Absolutely.
good. I might give the edge to the first one just because I really love vodka sauce. Mangia.
Mhm.
Really, really good.
We can do takeout all the time. This can be this good.
Yeah.
All the time.
These are a home run, for
we never have to
real.
leave the house.
This is like, you can't go wrong with this. This is a perfect size. Oh, I can't stop eating this. It's so freaking good.
I
God.
keep going back and forth between the
Mhm.
two.
Really
can't
delicious.
decide.
Really, really
Mhm.
delicious. We're going to finish eating. And then I just ate, I thought it was salad. It was a big piece of garlic.
No!
Wow.
No! It was not a crouton, was it?
No.
No.
Oh my God.
And I can breathe
I
again.
just want to stick my face.
I mean, that could get some clicks if you did that.
Stick on my face.
Yeah, don't do that. You look pretty. Happy food dance. Happy food dance. Get it, get it. Cheers.
Cheers. Final thoughts. Mangia's absolutely delicious.
10 out of absolute 10, and we don't do the rating thing.
So
We
good.
don't. I never finish my food. Like,
And I almost finished everything, but it is so good. I would definitely go there again. I would try other things. But yeah, I would definitely go there. And I'll probably dream about the sandwich for the next week.
oh, seriously, we got
good.
We got some pretty big things.
We got
coming up,
we got some places that we're gonna go.
We got a fancy dinner date
We
coming
do.
up.
We have stuff. So
We got some ideas.
if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that little bell so you get the notifications. Like, comment, and hype up the video. Woo! But until next time, I'm Francine.
I am Kate.
And we are
Two Broads, One Fork. Woo! All right, cupcake.
Yeah!
Two broads, one for